We are friends of your HOA and the Department of Transportation and our community. Why is aquatic vegetation management such a big deal? Without the proper equipment, aquatic vegetation is difficult and dangerous to remove. Introducing our Marshmaster Amphibious mower, your answer to overgrown aquatic vegetation. These types of invasive plants, depending on location, threaten property, wildlife, and at times, human life. Encroachment of roads without proper easement places humans in danger of striking wildlife with vehicles. From fire hazards due to dry vegetation buildup to making retention ponds inefficient, causing flooding, L.E.W. is the trusted solution. Allow L.E.W. to get the job done right the first time. L.E.W. can mow where tractors can't go.